I tell her every day. Yeah, I know when I compliment her she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I
Please send your out congratulations sa inyong pinaka-special day. We've been together, we're bound to be together. So a lot of trials nga ma-encountered. I know you're mature enough to handle it, and always pray. Ang important is your spiritual belief and pag-hold nyo kay Jesus, save always a relationship. So be strong, and soon you have happy family, especially with babies. So how many babies? So congratulations, best wishes.
the way you
Hi, Gerald. Lisa, congratulations. Hopefully, you will live happy life, grow old together.
you're amazing.
I love you so much. Congratulations.
Congrats. Good luck sa inyo ni Gerald. I know na hindi dali ang married life, but then hang on, then always put God in the center of your life. Tapos, make sure na ang parents is in the center of your life also. It's to my blessings and God. Tapos, patience lang, talagaan na ang magawa, kung magkaroon na kang baby. So, i-prioritize yun ang family. Ang wala na. Good luck sa inyo. Congrats.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi to Gerald and Riza. Congratulations, and your relationship grow more and more deeper, and especially more together. And we are very thankful for the friendship that we have since you were close friends in college and up to here in Singapore. Thank you for you and for Gerald. Best wishes.
Hi Risa, hi Gerald, congratulations guys. My advice for you is that please be patient with each other no matter what happens. As what you have promised each other through thick and thin in with each other. It's just normal that sometimes you have problems, but as long as be patient with each other and just go on and be happy with your life and go on and multiply as long as you can manage to raise your children. Thank you. Congratulations again and good luck to you guys.
Hi Reese, Gerald, congratulations. How many babies can you make? No, just joking. Just take care of each other and hope you try to be mature enough to each other so you'll understand and be responsible. Just be responsible. And good luck and Happy New Year. Happy Merry Christmas.
Lisa and Gerald, wishing you the timeless treasures here in the world, the love of God, the gift of friends, the warmth of home. Congratulations and more blessings.
Hi Risa and Gerald. Congratulations nga pala sa inyo. Maligaya ako at ngayon di ka na malulungkot, di ka na nag-iisa. Parang ako, katulad ko. Kasama na ko ngayon si Bluey. Di ba Bluey?
Oo nga, magkasama na kami, Riza. Saya-saya, no?
Oh, congratulations nga pala sa inyo.
Congratulations!
At naging successful kayo. At maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga sa akin tuwing dumudumi ang tubig ko. Dahil sa mga housemate mo, binibigyan ako ng tinapay kaya dumudumi ang tubig. Pero ngayon, binibigyan mo na ako ng mga tamang pagkain. Kaya, ay ito, okay na kami, masaya kami tulad mo.
Namiss ko na yung bagoong tsaka kanin.
Oo, pero at least diba, ngayon, ang kinakain ko na mga pellet. Minsan nga binibigyan na ako ng ng fish and chips, ng mga sibas.
Minsan nga, nagsmoke pa kami dito eh.
Oo, ng mga smokies. Para kaming dito, Smoky Mountain minsan. Sana, malampasan nyo ang mga pagsubok sa buhay nyo, mga dadating na problema. Simula pa lang yan ang bagong chapter ng buhay nyo.
Chapter 1.
Chapter 2, Chapter 3, and so on and so far.
May episode 2 pa yan.
Oo, parang Star Wars, diba? Parang yan yung mga telenovela. Ay,
parang Naruto.
Oo nga, tama, Naruto. Pero, sige, na natin sa mga paborito mong palabas. Korean novela, parang ganun lang. Ano pangalan nyo? Chimchamsu? Kimchi? Mga ganun palabas.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Oo. Ano lang din yan, happy ending palagi. Okay?
Hello! Congratulations pala, Chong. Sana tulad nga sabi nga ni Reddish tsaka ni Bluish, stay healthy kayo. And God bless you all. Love you.
Tol, Riza, Gerald, first of all, we'd like to congratulate you guys. It's been an awesome day. I know, dami po mga challenges na nagabot sa inyo kabuhi to end up in this day. This is a very important day para sa inyo. And I'm very happy for you guys, me and Darcy and family. And sana mambal ko sa inyo. This is a very important stage of your life. Ako, nag-agi naman ko din. Married life is a tough life, but it's the most happy and most complete part of your life. Being together is very wonderful. I know after this, mas a-breakways na mga mo. I just like to give you a few advice lang in a long-distance relationship. You need to trust each other and put your faith sa isa kag isa. Kinanglan, put yung sigad termi sa sentro sa inyong kabuhi. And no matter what, mananapamatian nyo yun isa kag isa. Kamu lang makasolbar sa inyong problema. Okay? Buligay ka mo, trust each other, love each other, and protect each other. These are three important things na kinagtanan. And I know na if God put you into it, God will make sure that you get through it. And you've been a sister to me, Reese. Si Gerald, I knew him for lipot ng tiyempo, but I know he will be a good guy, will be a good father, and will be a good protector and provider sa inyong family along the way. So, me and my family wishes you all the best. We wish you na mag-stay ka mo longer, stronger, happier, and continue to love each other until you grow old and until the day nga mag-separate ways na kami. For now, stay happy, stay cool, and we love you guys.
And when you